it is I, Monsieur Crocodile. Today we will be catching a train down to Devon. Whee! I have packed socks, underwear and some snacks for the journey. Okay, we are on the train and it is packed. We are coming into Newton Abbot Station where we will get off the train. We have arrived here in Devon. This is the train which we arrived on. Well.
St. David's, Exeter Central, Digby, Southend, Newport, Tottenham, Limpston Village and Exeter. Please note this train does not call at St James's Park or Colstow Bridge.
It is bedtime here in Devon, and I am absolutely tired out of my head. So tomorrow we are going into Totnes, which is an old village type place down here in Devon, and we are going to a sweet shop and we will be going on a steam train. Okay, see you tomorrow. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more videos with me, Monsieur Crocodile, here on Croco Snap Kids.